Hello guys, this is Aniket Dey back again with another video. So today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech G102 gaming mouse. So this is actually a huge upgrade for me as I used to use an HP mouse, but whatever. Without further ado, let's get into the video. And before we begin, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right here if you still haven't subscribed, and turn on the bell notifications for all my videos so that you don't miss future videos like this. Thank you, and now let's begin. So this is on the day the Amazon package arrived. This is the package, so let's get it open. So I don't even want to get into the packaging. As you can see, the box I received was kind of damaged. I don't know why is this happened. Due to the time of COVID, I forgive them for this, but I don't really like the box. The unboxing experience was pretty much very bad, but still I got the box open because at the end of the day the product is what matters the most, right? Inside the box we see the mouse in a foam packaging, and we get a user manual, warranty information, and a sticker is pretty good. I'll probably stick it on my table. And this is some extra information, whatever. The box, nothing else in the box. Put it away. Let's get to the main product, the mouse. Get it out of the foam packaging. The mouse is actually pretty good. Matte finish, thumb buttons, and buttons are clicky. I'll give you a sound test in a few moments. Now getting into the in and feel of the mouse is pretty good to the hand. And getting to the wire is 1.8 meters long, which I think is pretty long. It will be very easy to route it to the back of your PC. And even if it is not braided, I actually expected braided cable at this price range of 1600 rupees. The grip is good. I personally use a claw grip, and I won't recommend this mouse to people who use a palm grip to play games like Valorant or CSGO. If you are a claw grip user, you are gonna love this mouse. Okay, so here is a quick sound and gaming test to give you an idea of how this mouse sounds and feels while you are playing with hand cam. Now talking about the DPI of this mouse provides you a maximum DPI of 3200, and I usually use it at 1000 DPI with sensitivity at 1.3. Okay, so now we will be talking about the software support on this mouse. As you can see, this is the Logitech G Hub software, which you will need to properly calibrate this mouse to your needs. And let's go in G102 Light Sync. As you can see, the maximum DPI that you can get on this mouse is 8000. Sorry, in the earlier part of the video I was actually wrong. It's not 3200, it's 8000. And you can set the DPI cycle values to anything you want. There are a total of 4 values, preset values, that you can keep it set. And to be honest, I keep my main DPI at 1000 DPI. Why? Well, I'm just used to 1000 DPI, that's all there is to it. Now let's go to the button assignments. As you can see, these are the commands, these are the keys. I use my primary switch, like the primary and secondary clicks as they are, and as for the thumb buttons on the left side of the mouse, like these ones, I use them to switch between apps and open task view. So if I click the lower button, this goes my task view, and if I want to switch between apps, like for example in this case from OBS, if I want to jump to GHub directly with one button, that's it. It's that smooth. Now you also have macros, and let's go to the light sync, like the RGB part. You have presets, you have freestyles, you have animations, but I think the presets will be enough for you. Like there are lots and lots of them: fixed, breathing, cycle, color blend, screen sampler, audio visualizer. Like look man, I am using color wave with reverse horizontal. I like that the most, but you can use anything. You can even control the brightness to 0. As you can see, if you want, you can increase it to keep it a little light, but if I put it to maximum, this is what it looks like. I know the lighting is a bit bad, but still this is what it basically looks like when you put it to max brightness. And you can also log in if you want to. You have your settings. That's all there is to it. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think this video was useful, please feel free to leave a like, as it motivates me to make more videos, and also share this video with your friends, just to support the channel, please. And also consider joining my Discord server, links are in the description. And if you have any queries related to this product, you can comment down below. I reply to each and every comment. And also you can hit me up on my social media. Again, links are in the description. Thank you and have a nice day. Peace.